Guys, it's Jess. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do a plan with me in my classic size Happy Planner, and these are the pages out of the Supermom Happy Planner, and it's that dashboard layout. So I just started this new layout in 2019, and so I'm still trying to, it's the third week of 2019, so I'm still trying to figure out my style with this planner and see, if I if this style of planning works for me. I'm used to that vertical layout, those vertical boxes. I'm used to that layout, so I wanted to try something different for 2019. So far, I like the dashboard layout as far as functionality. Like it actually keeps me very productive, and it helps to know what bills I have to pay for the week, all in one place, and what errands I need to run, or, who I need to talk to, or whatever. And dinner, definitely that what's for dinner section. But yeah, I really love this layout. It's just the decorating piece of it is what I'm kind of still struggling with and trying to find my style. But so far, I think it's coming along. I think I'm doing a pretty good job of, just trying to find my way with this. So yeah, I am going to do a theme this week of just snowflakes and blues and silvers, and I'm using cards from an old Project Life core kit. It's actually the Seasons core kit, so I'm taking some of those snowflake cards that were out of that core kit and just basically throwing them on this spread. I cut out that snowflake and cut out a couple more snowflakes from the cards, and I'm just basically using them on my spread, and I'm taking my Tombow tape runner and just sticking them down. So yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. Is there anything else I wanted to say? I don't think so. I'll come back at the end. this is it, you guys. This is how the entire spread turned out. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.